Clogged drains. We've all experienced them and heard any number of ways to clear them. We've covered our favorites and our least favorites many times on the Homeowner's Handbook. Today is part one of a deeper dive into why we like and dislike certain drain cleaning methods. Today's episode is dedicated to the uses and pitfalls of commercial chemical drain cleaners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. We've all been down the aisles filled with cleaning products, looked through the drain cleaners and wondered if they work. Or how do they work? While chemical drain cleaners are prevalent in homes today, they have limitations and risks. Most of the compounds in the formulation damage plumbing and can pose health hazards. Today, we'll outline how chemical drain cleaners work. A chemical drain cleaner is a formulation for clearing pipes and wastewater systems of clogs. They are typically in liquid form and may be either alkaline or acidic. There are three major types of commercial drain cleaners. First is cleaners containing sodium hypochlorite, which is the same chemical you'll find in household bleach. However, the compounds are in a much higher concentration, powerful enough to remove soft obstructions from your pipes. Next is alkaline drain cleaners. These use an alkaline hydrolysis process, breaking down hair, oil, and grease debris in your pipes. The reaction also releases a gas that compounds in the formulation to convert liquid to foam. Finally are acidic drain cleaners, which contain high concentrations of sulfuric acid. The fluid will hydrolyze hair, fat, oils, and grease, converting those substances into water and cellulose. The reaction of the pipe and the acid can be violent and explosive. Manufacturers will often recommend you add the cleaner gradually into your plumbing to minimize hazards. Unfortunately, using chemicals can be harmful to your home's plumbing. Most formulations often include hydrochloric acid or potassium hydroxide. Such chemicals can precipitate corrosion within the pipes, in turn causing widespread leakages. And that is why we recommend avoiding commercial liquid drain cleaners. They may work in some scenarios, but they often cause more harm than good. To hear about the drain cleaning methods we do recommend, come back next week. And thank you for watching the Homeowner's Handbook.